Hey folks, Bob here. So we're going to try to restore this piece here. This goes between the tail lights on the finish panel, 1970 Chrysler Newport. And it's not in that bad shape, but it's bent right here. So I'm going to take a heat gun and see if I can't heat it up a little bit and bend it back straight. So let me, mine a little, man, that was a tongue tire. Let me see if I can get a straight edge too, so that way I know just how straight I've made it. Be right back. Okay guys, so the heat gun was working. I moved it about 1/4 of an inch. And it was getting, I had it in my lap, it was getting my leg hot. We don't want to do that. So, and pull it with the pliers. So I got it set up in this vise. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little heat on it and just kind of crank on it slowly. It's not in there really as good as I want, but we'll keep an eye on that. And as you can see, but this thing here is not exactly flat. So we'll just heat it and crank it a turn on the jack and just see if it gets it back right. I think it will, because it was working with just holding it by hand. Okay, here it goes. I'll probably time lapse some of this, guys. I know this is going to get kind of boring. But I've got it set up on this edge because I only want to bend the edge of it down. It looks like it's flat, about 3/8 of an inch back. So just this edge bent up. And if we can fix it, we can fix it. No big deal. It was just part on the car that I parted out. And the car didn't cost me anything, and I didn't really sell a whole lot off this car. But there is people out there with Newport convertibles and Newports that are family heirlooms, and they want to keep them going. So we try to provide a service for those folks that want to run across the parts. Hopefully I can fix this. I saw it go down a little bit. I don't want it to fly out and hit me upside the head. Just definitely moved it back down some. A lot of times it'll spring back when you take the tension off too, though. So you just got to keep putting the pressure on it. This is pot metal. If you guys don't know what pot metal is, it's actually metal, but it's real soft metal. And they called it pot metal. I don't know what the actual name is. Maybe you guys can tell me that in the comments. I might need to get a little closer to the edge. If you guys can see that, that's still a little bit bowed, but it's not bad. This is probably, I believe, a 1,000 watt heat gun. I've got a hairdryer 1,500 watt that I keep in the toolbox that puts out more heat, but I thought this would do the job. I use this to scraping undercoating off. It seems to do okay without getting too crazy hot. Tell you what, that is about 90% flat, and I don't know if it's going to spring back. Maybe let it cool while it's still compressed. That is looking good. Yeah, I think that just about maybe one more pump. Just about has it. Two more pumps. 2 light pumps. Yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. Matter of fact, I think I may have went just a bit too far. It actually looks like it went just a smidge too far. Let me back off just a bit here and see if it springs back. That thing is hot. It knows it's hot. Yeah, that looks good. This one edge right here is bowed out right there. Let's see if we can't, other than that, I think what we got to do there on that, oh, I heard somebody toot the horn out there. Oh, I see, okay. I don't know about that. Kind of got a little dip to it. It's down low on one part and up high on the other. And I definitely went just a bit too far. Let me see if I can get it to come down. I don't know if we got enough. Turn you off for just a second. May have to reset this press up. Be right back. All right, she's still warm, so I'm gonna try to bend this down without heating it anymore. Can't tell if that worked or not. Looks like it did. Yep, it did. Now the low part, got to figure out how to get the low part out. See if you guys can tell. It's low. It's still kind of warm. Right? You see where it's low right here? I don't know about that. Let me see what I can do. Let me right back. Let me cut you off again. I think I can take a wide blade screwdriver and just kind of twist and tweak it. Let's try that. Okay, guys, so I got a screwdriver here. I think what I'm going to have to do, I'm not going to have a good camera angle for you guys. I'm going to have to heat this thing up again, and because it's cooled off. And take that screwdriver and see if I can't just tweak it. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a good camera angle for you or not. That piece there is still warm. This piece here is not. It doesn't look like it's going to be perfect, but it's going to be real damn close. And, you know, you can't buy these parts. So if you've got that Newport convertible or that granddad's old Newport and you're trying to keep it going, this may do the trick. Definitely need to polish it out. Repaint that center piece, that red piece in the center. But all I'm going to try to do is just get it where it's not bent, where it can do. Whoever buys it, they're restoring the car, they can do that part themselves. I don't often do that. I have in the past, but let's see if we can tweak that piece up. Yeah, we got a little bit. Yeah, it's 25% better. Put some more heat on it. It shouldn't be a problem. It should fall down okay. Let's heat it up a little bit more. All right, folks, there you have it. It's a little bit wavy. Like I said, I didn't think I'd get it all out. It's hard to do that. But man, that looks sellable right there. If you set this piece up here, once you get right up on it, you can't tell it. I have got the teeth mark. I probably should have put some tape over that so it wouldn't have the teeth mark from the pliers. But when they go, I sanded some of it down. And well, I think I used 400, so come back with some 2000 and polish it. And this here is going to be fun to polish. Man, I threw that in the glass cabinet. And a little red emblem here. I think that's painted in. Looks like it may be. Those that come out from the back side, so yeah, I think that's painted in. That's a sellable piece right there. It's as you can see, it's still warm up here, but that's somebody will purchase that if they need it for their car. All right, folks. Another piece saved. Yeah, somebody will get that. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Bob out.